wanna stay with you. If I'm choosing wrong, I don't care at all. If I'm losing now, but I'm winning late, that's all I want.
I had perfect life planned, living with friends, having party every weekend, unlimited food, playing on Xbox whole day, living the perfect bachelor life. I can do anything I want, I can go anywhere I want. Then all of a sudden, I had the opportunity to make all my dreams come true. Hello, man. Oh, really? Thank you for the opportunity, ma'am.
Good morning, team. I am Professor Telangana. I am in search of people who have nothing to lose here. So from today, people need to work 24/7. They should be responsive anytime in the night. When you say night, it can be 3 a.m. or 6 a.m. And don't ask me for refreshment or break.
Professor picked out everyone with unique ability.
Do I have to wash these clothes? Yeah, fine. I can wear it for one more day. No. Thank God it's working from home. Otherwise, I have to wash this regularly every 1 month.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
It's boss. Hello, sir.
What are you working on?
A very complicated case study, sir. It includes water, surfactants, fabric as the main focus. The motto of the project is to create a portfolio for the identification of the elements necessary for the project. Yes, sir. Thank you.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
See, this is dedication.
Every good team has a computer mazar. For us, it was Ranchi. There wasn't a digital lock which you can open.
Hi sir, I was just working on the base suited key for the lag system.
All good plan needs soldier who is always ready to do whatever it takes to finish the job.
Yes, sir. In case of urgent deadline, you just come to the right person, sir. I can go to any extent. Even I can go to war for our team, sir. And I am very much energetic, sir.
Hi baby, how are you? What are you doing? Okay. Baby, I'm getting call from my manager, and I will talk to you later. Okay? अरे तुम रखो पहले. अरे तुम रखो. तुम रखो. Hi sir. Yes sir, me too. I'm very free and I don't get distracted from my true aim, and I only have one mission in my life, to create the best content for the company. Yes sir. Yeah, thank you.
Very charged up soldiers? Yeah, but first wipe up the sleep doll and shower your videos on.
Finally, we have Dharavi. You know, there are some people who never make mistakes and do jobs to the perfection. For us, it was Dharavi. Not a even single comma can get past her, and thus how she became our quality assurance person.
We don't know each other yet, and I want to go on like that. I don't want any personal discussions or weekend plans or any names here. I want each of you to choose a name, something simple. Can be the places you came from.
And then came the time we all met.
Professor, I have a question for you. How can we convince the client to give us a project?
I have a plan. Look, this client is a beverages player. You see, you go and curate the news and publish the articles related to the industry, their competitors, etc. SWOT analysis. You start curating the news related to the client, their competitors in the industry, and any news articles related to them.
मछली को चारा डाल दिया.
Once you get a traction from the leads, you follow up with them through cold calls. Explain them the PCS features and the capabilities. By the time meeting is over, get the eSearch platform run and show the demo. If the patent search services is something which we want to show, you basically make a proposal and show it to them. And everything related to the client goes via you.
Done.
No way the fish escapes the net. I already made a list of things that could probably go wrong. One is price estimation, duration, and manpower required. Second, the salesperson probably may overlook and send a proposal that is related to the previous client, which may create a confidentiality issues.
Oh God, what will happen now?
What will we send to the client?
Who was the last one to work? Didn't you save it?
I did say. It's not my fault. You always say work.
No, he is lying. Yesterday I saw him watching Netflix. That's why he might have forgot to save the work.
This has nothing to do with me watching Netflix. And moreover, I didn't watch Netflix. The file given by Amirpur was itself corrupt.
Don't blame me, guys. When I gave the data, it was working fine. Then I uploaded in the wiki too.
See, it's not my fault. If you have uploaded the document, it should be there. And you have a history of never doing any work and just giving excuses. Ask everyone.
Stop blaming each other, guys. Find a solution.
Can we return the data?
My internet is not working. So can't do this, I guess. Nope.
But how? What are we gonna do now?
There's just one person who can help us get through this now. Professor.
Yes, only professor can save us now. Someone call the professor.
No need, I'm already here.
Actually, what happened, Professor? We worked till night, but somehow we forget to store the data.
I already know what the problem is. And in fact, I already knew one day this problem would come in, and I'm prepared for this.
But how? What are we gonna do now?
The work is all in this. You know how? I know your habits right from the day one. And I've been observing you from the day one. So I installed the team in your software in your systems, and I'm keep tracking your work. I've been reviewing them and copying the work. Now, if all the work has been reviewed and put in this small pen drive, it is a work. So I already reviewed and sent the data to the client. No worries.
So far, we have seen our extraordinary team members and their extraordinary capabilities.
But time comes when all the hard-working memories faded away, and work seems burdened to us when the project delivery is today, but our TL Skype status shows away.
At that moment of time, what will you do? You become nervous, panicked, and start sweating in fear of any possible mistake. So do we. A lot of negative thought comes in our mind, like what if we missed any important relevant patent, or what if we skipped any important keyword synonym in the search query, or what if the marketing team completely overlooked any important domain of the product?
Yes, we are trapped, but not broken. When every minute seems like an hour, when going outside seems like biggest freedom on earth, then we hold our head high, staring at each other fearlessly, and we activate Plan Phoenix.
Curious, no? Curious, no?
To know about Plan Phoenix, do like, share and subscribe this video.